guys, it's Sunday. I just woke up, didn't wash my face last night. This is a very realistic vlog. If you guys are new to my channel, my name's Haley Cairo. I'd love it if you click subscribe, turn on notifications, and follow along on social. It's Sunday, which means I have a full day, which you would think is the opposite of most Sundays. However, I really like my productive Sundays and I wanted to share them with you because I think that some of my habits and tips can really help set you guys up for success for the week. And so we're just gonna walk through my day, and it starts off with a walk and a podcast. Let's go. So walking every single day has become a non-negotiable for me, which is awesome because in years past, my non-exercise activity, thermogenesis or NEAT, was just really low. Like, I work at home, I sit at a desk, and I just didn't really move a whole lot other than my workouts. It's not good for you, it's not good for your blood circulation, it's not good for your oxygen levels, it's just not good for your overall caloric burn. We walk in the morning, sometimes in the afternoon, whenever I can get it in. It's usually about 30 to 45 minutes, and I'll listen to one of my favorite podcasts or a sermon. Sometimes I'm unplugged. This is my neighborhood, but I also go to like different state parks. It's good, and it's rain or shine, we go. No matter what the temperature is, it's like 22 degrees out, but we're walking. Also, if you guys are not following along on my social media, I have started this hashtag Walk Talk series where we just pick different topics, and as I do my walking, I go over them with you guys. And today's was all about my opinion on SoulCycle, spin classes that are more like dancey and jumpy versus traditional cycling. I think you guys might be surprised what I think about them. So you guys can click on my social media link down below, go to the highlight Walk Talk and check it out. Some of you have also asked a little bit about the difference between non-exercise activity thermogenesis and normal exercise. Basically, your body isn't as stressed out, but you're still getting positive blood flow, oxygen into your system. You're burning calories without your body being in fight or flight. It's also just good for the mind. But you know, too much cardio, too much weight training can really put a stressor on your central nervous system. And when that happens, and let's say you're overtraining and you're not eating enough, all that stress builds up. You have higher cortisol release. Maybe you don't come out of fight or flight. That can be a real issue, kind of what I deal with a lot. And so it makes it really hard for your body to work optimally, to lose fat, because it's stressed out. When your body's stressed out, it keeps you alive, tries to protect you always, and it's not gonna wanna lose fat. It thinks you're starving, it thinks you're dying, it thinks you needs to protect you. So just something to think about. So we're gonna do my indoor biking right now. This is one of my bikes. It's actually my dad's. It's an old Centurion. I love it. I did my first triathlon on it, so it's special to me. And then here is my makeup standing desk. I'm gonna watch one of Sarah Day's videos. I love her. She's pregnant and probably the cutest pregnant woman ever. So we're gonna watch this and another video because this one's only 11 minutes. We're gonna get going.
So I don't know if you guys have noticed, you probably have because it's obvious. I'm wearing a retainer. I'm really trying to get my teeth in tip-top shape, and White with Style is the perfect at-home teeth whitening solution. It is seriously so simple. I've used this product for years, but it's great because you can actually customize the mold to fit your teeth. It comes with everything that you will need, and it is super simple and very effective. If you guys are interested in trying White with Style, you can use my code HaleyCairo at checkout, and you will be receiving your kit for $28. It's usually $269.99, so you're getting a bargain. You can also get the Sparkle White Teeth Whitening Kit with Bamboo Charcoal Toothpaste for only $37.99. So if you guys are interested, check the link down below. Depending on how much time I have before church, I like to do some cleaning up too, and it usually involves my laundry. I will make sure that I put in a load before I leave and then tackle anything that I need to fold. Usually I have about 15 minutes before we have to leave, so I can get a little bit done. I'll also, clean up my vanity, do a little pick-me-up. That way I don't have a huge mess to tackle when I get back. Now, my laundry is a lot of gym clothes, so the majority of it gets hung up, so it is a little bit more time-consuming. But then I will go to church with Kyle, and if we don't go to church, I will usually do my own devotional and listen to a sermon at home. Now, usually me and Kyle have our like bay day, which is, we go to church, we get coffee, sometimes we go for a walk and grocery shopping and whatnot. But on this day particular, I was able to go home a little bit early and get some more chores done. Actually, when I filmed this, I'm pretty sure he was at drill, so that's why I had Sunday. But I like to just do a weekly clean, literally have to, or I can't start my week right. And this is just helpful for my mental clarity. After that, I will always spend some time going through my planner, checking off what I did and what I didn't do, and planning for the next week, making sure that everything kind of lines up with my schedule. I'll do a brain dump to make sure that all of my ideas and to-dos are out and I can organize them. I also go over my finances and make a grocery list. My office also tends to get kind of cluttered up throughout the week, so any stacks of papers, things that need to get organized, receipts that need to be filed, that all gets handled. And look at these pretty flowers Kyle got me. I just thought you should see them. Then we will go into meal prep. I have been obsessed with Japanese sweet potatoes, guys. They are literally like cake. And I also wanted to show you Zuka because she's so stinking cute. Look at her in the asparagus. Oh, I love it. I also will cut up some fruits and veggies that I store in glass containers. I'm going to be sharing all about this process in a future video like this week, so make sure you guys are subscribed and follow along so you never miss a video. But after I am done my meal prep, which usually takes me about an hour to an hour and a half, depending on how much I end up doing. And then the rest of the night is usually just for whatever I want to do. Reading, watching one of my favorite shows, catching up, with my family. And that's pretty much the gist of it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I spend my Sundays. If you guys have any questions, let me know below. As always, I hope you're doing well, and I will see you in the next video.